Day 8, good morning. Welcome to Clueless. How does it go? Clueless Cooking Class Kitchen. Today, we are going to, first of all, tell me good morning. I just woke up. I can't sleep at night. I don't know what my deal is. I cannot sleep every night. I was up most of the night. I think around 2, I looked at my clock, and then at 5, I'm just not sleeping. I'm just having a lot of dreams and a lot of thoughts and desires and memories, and I'm just not sleeping. So today on Clueless Cooking Class Kitchen, we're going to make soaked cashew sauce. This is something I learned from Kate Magic when she was here last year, and I haven't done it in a million years. I don't know if I really remember how. So I think we'll just do an experiment and we'll see what happens. So what I require is my blender, which is this. I love this. Have you seen my blender? It's a small, compact, handmade. If the power goes out, I don't care. It works on my muscles. I put it on the counter and push it down, and then I just turn it. Alright, so I just woke up. I'm just waking myself up. So I'm going to get the cashews right here. Now we're in India, so I did not use tap water. I used my filter water. So I put these cashews. Can you see it? Cashews. Put the cashews in my blender with its water, because why not? It's not like it's water that I have to get rid of. It's good water. And then, what did she do? Okay, let's start by doing this. Hence, it's the Clueless kitchen. I have no idea what's going on. Is a good number. I did it 12 times. Okay, that's a little too watery for me. See that? It's like a little too watery. Can I remove the water? I'll try. Clueless kitchen, I'm telling you. You really think you're going to learn here? It's more of an entertainment factor than a learn how to cook factor. If I ever told Kobe that I'm putting on a cooking class, he would die laughing. Alright, so I poured out some water. I'll pour out a little bit more. Because when you're clueless, you just try. You know? Sort of the running motto, the motif is, you know, the motif of this class is, let's try. What can go wrong? I mean, the worst come worst, you just throw away all the ingredients, right? So let's try it. I did 12 more. Reminds me last time I did Jane Fonda. 7, 8, 5, 6. But then the light was weird, so you probably didn't even see it. You just heard me sounding stupid. Alright, so this is where I am now. I like it. And I want to add to it. What should we add to it? Kay Magic said something really nice. She said for every food you made, you should have 4, and then she said the 5 different tastes. So everything should have sweet, salty, sour, bitter, and then she said some other taste, which was like some Japanese taste that I don't know what, I can't pronounce it. So she said every taste, every flavor, every dish should have a combination of sweet, salty, sour, and bitter in different levels, so that your taste buds like get a joy. So you don't just put, like what I put in everything is lemon, salt, black pepper, and olive oil. So she would say put a little bit of like a fruit, put something sweet like a fruit, put a little bit of salt, put something like, I don't know. Anyway, let's see what I've got and see if I can get the 4. So I have a lemon. Clueless kitchen lemon. Let's go. So I'll put half of a little lemon. I put the big half because half for me is never, cut clearly in half. I hear a motorbike outside and I'm like, oh, is it the internet guy? I'm not even going to check. I mean, if it is, then I'll run and get dressed, but I doubt it. So I'm not exactly dressed. I'm wearing like my pajama and panties. So if you happen to see something, it's just like a bathing suit. I mean, right? People are bathing suits. So deal. Okay, so I put half a lemon. I bought yesterday at the Space, I bought raw salt. So I'll put a dash of raw salt. There you go. I'll put 2 dashes of raw salt. I love the feel of it. I just love holding it. I love it. Okay. Oh, sweet, sweet, sweet. I also bought at the Space yesterday. I bought Ambrosia Organic Farm as nature intended wild honey. So I'll put some honey in it. My hands are wet. So that makes sense, right? So far we put the sour. Like lemon is sour, right? Not bitter. Yeah. So we put the sour, we put the salty, we put the sweet. I don't know what I'm gonna put that's bitter. Okay. So here's my honey. Ooh, that's way too much. Okay. So I'm making a sweet sauce. Are you kidding me? Oh, it's so good. Seriously delicious. What am I gonna put that's bitter? I don't know what exists in the food world that's bitter. Pardon me, I just woke up. I don't know. Olive oil isn't bitter. Coconut cream might be good. Huh? Some coconut cream. I can make it coconutty. That's not bitter though. Yogurt would be maybe bitter, no? Chia seeds. I have a chili petter. Oh, did you say spicy? Maybe spicy was one of them. No, I don't want to put spicy. Oh, well, you know what? Alright, yeah. It must have been spicy. So how about I put like a tiny, itty bitty bit of this? Huh? I'm really trying. This is crazy. This is Clueless Kitchen. I just realized yesterday, I don't know if I'm supposed to rinse my vegetables in tap water. I also don't know if I'm supposed to brush my teeth in tap water. I'm in India. So let's do this. I put the tail of this hot pepper. Okay, so here's what we've got. We've got soaked cashews, half a small lemon. I think in the States would be called a lime. This guy. Probably 2 dashes of raw salt, probably 2 tablespoons of organic honey, and a little bit of hot sauce, a little bit of a hot pepper. I'm gonna taste this. All right, are you ready for this? Oh God. Smells good. It smells good. All right. So either I vomit. Let me get a spoon. Either I like throw up hysterically all over myself, or I've invented the world's best new meal in Clueless Kitchen. Yeah. Okay. Kind of concerned. All right. Ready? A brave soul enters the Clueless Kitchen. I'm like scared. Wow. It's like really good. Shut up. No, really, I like taste, oh my God. I like taste the honey, I taste the sweet, and I taste the salty, and I taste the spicy, and I taste the lemon at the same time. I can really discern each flavor. It's like each of them like comes out at a different level and says hi. Wow. Oh my God. Really good. Shut up. No, fuck me now. This is really good. I don't think you can eat lots of it though. Like it's not something you would like chow down. Whew, it's got some spicy. It's not something that, first of all, I just woke up and I'm used to eating like salad in the morning. So it's a lot of flavor coming at me. Just like, I'm assuming most people wouldn't like, drink vodka first thing in the morning. So it's a strong flavor. Also because it's strong, I wouldn't eat it like you eat cereal. I wouldn't eat it like a big quantity. I would eat it as a garnish, like with cut carrots or cucumbers. You can use it like I ate yesterday. Yeah, you could do that. Like you could put it on the side with some veggies or crackers if that's your deal, and eat it like that. Yeah. Oh my god. Yay! Happy dance, happy dance, happy dance. Clueless cooking class kitchen success. Yay! And in a little bit, I'm gonna try to make hummus. That should be a riot. Yeah. Okay.